Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. G'day everyone. Welcome to another video. Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Hello everyone and welcome to another video. G'day everyone. Welcome back to another video. Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video. Hello everyone. Welcome to another video. Hello everyone. Hope you like the little intro there. G'day everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone, welcome to this week's video. Hello everyone, welcome to this camping adventure. Welcome to this week's video. Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video. G'day everyone, welcome to today's video. Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video. I guess this is going to be part 2 of the exhaust video. Genoan Hills 2025. Been looking forward to this trip for quite some time. Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video. So we've got a bit of a storm rolling in. So close.
Fuck! Yes.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle. You got this.
Yeah!
Hello everyone. I guess you're probably a little bit sick of hearing that by this stage, but hope you liked the little intro. I just thought I'd sort of just line up most of the videos from the year, obviously excluding like just the off-roading clips and stuff. So obviously, given the title of the video, this is my kind of year in review / 2025 roundup. I thought, what better place to come than where the journey started with this car? You know, back in the exact same spot, got the exact same really shitty weather with lots and lots of thunder, which is great. Obviously, this car has transformed quite a bit in the last 12 months. It doesn't look anywhere near as stock as it did when I did the reveal video in this exact spot. I just thought, what better place to come and round up, you know, the last 12 months of the channel than, you know, where my journey this year started, which was with this car. So yeah, just thought it'd be good to come back to the same spot, just kind of full circle really. But yeah, obviously this car from when I first got it looked a hell of a lot different. You know, it was pretty much as grandpa spec as you can get. And I think from that point to here, this car has changed quite a bit and it is nowhere near even finished yet. I've got huge plans for this in 2026. At the start of the year, when I had revealed the Grand Vitara to everyone, I kind of set myself a little bit of a goal, for a silent goal, I guess. 1,000 subs within the year was my sort of mark to hit. And even though we didn't get that far, I think we've gotten to about 834 subs, which is still amazing. Like, I never would have expected that at all. So thank you to everyone who likes, shares, subscribes, comments. A lot of the stuff on this vehicle wouldn't even really be there if it wasn't for the channel. Big shout out to OPENROAD as well for choosing to sponsor videos with me. I would not be able to afford a lot of the stuff that they send me. Obviously, YouTube doesn't pay the bills. In fact, I don't earn anything through it at all. The only money I earn through doing this is actually through the affiliate program with OPENROAD. But yeah, again, big shout out to them. A lot of the stuff on the car, the tank, the awnings, the chairs, all that sort of stuff, I wouldn't have that if it wasn't for them. So big shout out to them, and shout out to Tim, my contact as well. You're a bloody legend. And yeah, honestly, I guess overall this wouldn't have happened if my wife didn't surprise me with a Grand Vitara for Christmas. So big shout out to her. She's been very supportive over the, you know, past year, and has, you know, allowed me to sort of take the risk of trying to turn, you know, YouTube into a job. And yeah, for that I'm absolutely thankful. And again, I wouldn't have been able to do all of this without her support. So yeah, it's been a hell of a year. Gone places, done stuff, mods, camping trips, off-roading stuff, you know, product reviews, things like that. It's been a hell of a year. I wouldn't really change anything about it except for the weather. The weather is terrible. In fact, I think it's raining right now. So I'll try and wrap this up as quick as I can before it starts, well, storming. Going back to that goal that I had set, 1,000 subs, obviously we didn't make it there this year, but 834 is still a hell of a lot of people. I would not have imagined in my wildest dreams that I'd even get to this point. So thank you everyone, greatly appreciate it. And yeah, I'm thankful for all of yous. You know, whether or not it's because, you know, you've just subscribed because of the Vitara, or whether you just like the videos I put out, or whatever it is, I just, each and every one of you, I absolutely appreciate it. And in 2026, I definitely say we're going to hit that goal of 1,000. If it wasn't for you guys, for OPENROAD, and for my wife, none of this would exist. This wouldn't be a thing. I wouldn't be here, and you wouldn't be watching me right now. So to everyone, thank you for a bloody good 2025. And moving on to 2026, lots more planned for this vehicle. I've got a giant list on my phone of stuff that I still want to do to this car that I haven't had the opportunity to do to it this year. Yeah, it's starting to rain a bit harder now. So actually, what we'll do is, I didn't have this last year. I've got a awning. So let me spin the car around and we'll pop under the awning since it is raining quite a bit. We're undercover now, which is great. I wouldn't have had that at the start of the year if it rained, but yeah, look, it's storm season here in Queensland, so it is what it is. So continuing on from where I left off before it started raining. So plans for the Vitara in 2026. Lots and lots of stuff. I've got a giant list on my phone. So yeah, there's definitely going to be an absolute ton of stuff. We've got wheels, tires. I'm going to redo my dual battery setup and the rear of the car once again. The rear of the car is actually completely different right now. I did that all off camera. Still not happy with it, but I think now I've changed the configuration enough times that I now should be able to build a more permanent setup. And I'm also going to go with a huge lithium battery as well, as some of the stuff happening next year is going to require me to have a substantial battery. So that's going to have to be upgraded. Battery, rear end, all drawers and shit like that. Bigger solar panel, some other bits and pieces as well. Obviously, a lot of the important stuff is already done, like the lift, bash plates. So a lot of that's already done, which is great. There's still plenty to do next year. Yeah, I'm hoping to have the car, at least in the back end, where I'm absolutely happy with it and I can just go with it and not have to change it every couple of months or weeks. I've done it that often now that I think I found exactly what I'm sort of looking for. Obviously, I'd love to do front and rear lockers. That'd be bloody awesome, but that's kind of out of the realm of possibility at the moment. However, I've definitely got a giant list. I just can't remember it right now. But anyway, yeah, to sort of round things up, thank you everyone for the amazing year. Thank yous all for a bloody good 2025. Hope yous enjoyed the videos, camping trips, full driving, the mods stuff. I'm getting sidetracked again. Thank you for 2025. Appreciate everyone. Big shout out to OPENROAD. Big shout out to all of yous as well. I'm just looking forward to 2026 and I've got so much stuff planned it ain't funny. Anyway, the rain ain't getting too much better out here, but I'm gonna have to wrap things up now, I reckon. So again, big shout out to everyone who has joined me along this adventure over the past year. Thanks to OPENROAD, thanks to my wife for supporting me. Well, first off, just for getting me the damn car. Like that's best Christmas present ever. Kind of hard to top that. But yeah, thanks to OPENROAD, especially Tim. Like, sharing, subscribing, all that sort of stuff. I greatly appreciate it, and I can't wait for you all to see what I have planned for 2026. But anyway, before it starts raining cats and dogs, I'm gonna get going, and yeah, I will see you next year and in the next video.